Welcome back to the Mushroom Network, home of the Mushroom Minute. Ignite your fungal fascination as we spotlight the flame chanterelle, also known as Cantharellus, Cinnabarinus. Alright, let's get started. Living up to its name, the flame chanterelle boasts a striking fiery red-orange hue, making it a standout among most its forest peers. However, untrained eyes might mistake this fungi with a toxic mushroom known as the jack-o'-lantern mushroom. Did you know, in culinary circles, these chanterelles are prized for their peppery taste. In fact, they are often used in gourmet dishes, adding both flavor and vibrant color. Ever so dazzling, the flame chanterelle is elusive. It loves hidden and undisturbed spots, located in moist, hardwood forests, making it a cherished find among foragers. Feeling the warmth of the flame chanterelle, discover its genetics, and so many more at the Mushroom Network's marketplace. Please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe buttons for even more fungal wonders. Happy foraging, and we'll see you on the other side of the veil.
If this Mushroom Minute sparked your interest, imagine what we could cover in the extended feature. There's a whole world of amazing insights, fascinating stories, and incredible uses for this kind of fungi genetics, and countless other genetics out there. But to make that happen, we need your help. By subscribing to our YouTube channel, you're not just signing up for amazing, in-depth content. You're helping grow our Mushroom Network and fueling our mission to share the incredible world of fungi, both far and wide. Thanks for watching. This is the Mushroom Network, signing off. For now.